Hey, do you need wallpaper? Go to wallpaperboulevard.com. Give them my name, tell them Spencer Colgan sent you, and they'll be sure to give you 10% off at checkout. Check it out. Tell them I said hello. They have a tremendous selection. Don't shop anywhere else until you've checked out www.wallpaperboulevard.com. This is Spencer Colgan, and welcome back to my channel for wallpaper and painting. What you're looking at behind me is the last piece of wallpaper that goes up in a room. For those of you who are new, take note, it is the smallest, shortest, vertically, piece of wallpaper in the entire room. And so, if you're new to hanging wall covering, and you're pretty good at it, which a lot of people surprisingly find themselves to be pretty good at hanging their wallpaper, but they come to something like this and they utterly are confused as to how to proceed with the last sheet. In fact, they do something that is conventional, as I understand it in the UK, to the folks in Europe, and that is to end it in a corner, in an inconspicuous corner. So we're in a bathroom, I suppose that would be the inconspicuous corner, but I disagree, and I'm not alone. In the United States of America, it appears to be the common practice to end the wall covering doing what is called a kill point. Well, they're all kill points no matter where you end your wall covering. But we tend to end our wall covering right above a doorway by taking part of the last sheet, which would be here, and bringing it to the first sheet, which would be right here, and somehow trying to blend this piece here with that piece there. And we do that by cutting around, overlapping the two pieces, and then somehow cutting around the shapes in the wall covering in order that the naked eye cannot easily see that it's a juncture of two pieces of wallpaper, the connections at which do not match, naturally speaking. But we make it look like it matches. Okay, so let me show you the wall covering. So I took the piece that matches from there, and I decided to work from here that way. You could choose either way. You could match it to this piece here and work this way. So our point will be to match it where when we decide, and to make it unnoticeable, really. That's the whole plan, you know. Sometimes this is not easy. If you were to have a geometric pattern with, say, little triangles, like this big, and you probably notice that, okay? The more abstract the pattern is, the easier it is to hide it, to hide this fake out. We're going to try to fake out the folks who like to look around when they're sitting down. We all have those people in our families. They're the people that you don't invite to dinner anymore. You used to. You used to invite them, but you don't anymore. Do you have family members like that? You know, like 20 years ago, 30 years ago, you used to have them over, but now you don't. You know what I'm talking about. Okay, So we want to confine this fake out to the area over this crown, okay? That's my thoughts. I certainly don't want to be bringing out over here, right? So I'm going to now start looking. See, I meet up nicely. This new sheet I just put in meets here. You're going to have one side that meets. The other side, you're going to make it meet by cutting. I can feel my ridge. This is the sheet of paper underneath, right here. So let's see what it looks like. We have a definitive neck of a bird. If we cut that out, guess what? We're gonna see it. Oh my goodness, look what we got here. We got leaves falling over his head. And look what we got right here. Leaves. I already know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try to cut around this bird's tail, the color of which blends in with the color of that head. That's okay. Birds do stand next to each other, and the fluffy feathers of one bird would naturally cover the head of another. And so that doesn't violate nature, right? And so let me trim this piece. 1 second. So we have a better look at what our fake out will look like. We have these colors here matching these here. Oh yeah. So I'm going to overlap this and cut along the neck of this flamingo because I want to reveal the fold of his head. I think I will then, I'm not sure. I gotta see how that looks. Whether I want to clip, I might clip the feathers off of the bird here. Okay, let me try that. Okay, the goal is to keep this flamingo's head cut through that. Whoa. How are we looking? I don't like this too much, being too close to this guy. What do you think? Although in real life, that's where he is. Hey, not too shabby, right? I like that. Yeah. You know what? I might leave his head intact. I don't want to cut off the whole thing here. I think, what do you think? Don't you think that's good enough? But I don't like this. My eyes are drawn to this color on top of it. I'm not crazy about it. Call me a fanatic. I don't know. I'm more inclined, since we got bird here, I'm more inclined to just follow the trace of his tail. That's what I've decided. You know, this is what I do. I kind of change my plan up. Let me do that. So I'm looking at where the feathers start on the other side. I come down here like this, cut here, and then right here. How's that look? What do you think? All right, let's expose more of this guy underneath. I'll try to do this, cut against there, to give this guy more body, right? Looks like he's missing something. Okay, we've cut here. Now let's see if that does us any good. I don't know yet. I mean, there's no exact science here. Okay, what do you guys think? I'm not crazy about these leaves. I'm not crazy about it. Now, let's see. Everything looks better from far away. We'll go down there and see how it looks down there. Wow, I'm looking through the screen, but you're seeing, I like it. I pulled out the piece underneath, and I'm going with this. Let's see. Push that down a bit. What do you think? What do you think now? Are you saying holy cow? Thanks for watching. Please give it a like and subscribe. Even Aunt Ethel. Even Aunt Ethel. Looking up, won't be able to tell. Okay, I like it, folks. Here's the job. Hope you like it too. Please click on like and subscribe. And thank you for being part of my YouTube family. I recently, as of January 15th, 2023, have made a total of $1.2 million on my YouTube channel. And I'm very grateful to all of you who have watched my channel at night, in the morning, and contributed to my success. Thanks for watching. I'm just kidding about the money.